Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to grow mini tomatoes using the Dutch Bucket Hydroponic System, a simple method you can easily try at home. The Dutch Bucket system is a hydroponic method that uses a container filled with growing media, continuously supplied with nutrient solution through a water pump. It's perfect for fruiting plants like tomatoes, chili, or eggplants. For the materials, we'll use very simple items. We use a recycled water bottle as the planting pot and place it on top of a 4-inch PVC pipe. The pipe serves two purposes. It acts as a stand for the pot and also as a channel for the hydroponic nutrients inside. For the growing media, we use coarse mountain sand. This media supports the plant roots firmly and helps retain moisture. As for nutrients, use hydroponic nutrients formulated for fruiting vegetables. This helps your tomato plants grow faster, with greener leaves and more abundant fruits. The nutrient solution is pumped from the reservoir using a mini water pump with high lifting power. The pump runs 24 hours non-stop, ensuring a continuous supply of nutrients and oxygen to the plants. With this simple Dutch bucket setup, you can grow mini tomatoes right at home, even without a large space. It's clean, efficient, and super satisfying when you see those little red tomatoes ripen. So what are you waiting for? Let's start your own hydroponic garden today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next hydroponic tips.